Greens one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Been firing up the Onetigris stove, making a little lunch. Just made a hot beverage in the last video and got the thing started, so link below for if you missed that video. It looks like I had 10 to my fire. Oh man, look at that. Oh dude. That sizzle. Still super rare. Gotta remember to pull the little plastic piece out. Yeah, it's like super rare. I don't think I'm going to add much more fuel because I think I'm going to need it. Handle's nice and cool. Yeah, I think I'm already done with the fuel. I've got a good amount in there. And actually, I just saw two people walking their dog at the beginning of this, and I think they saw me because I went out on a trail. But I don't know if they could smell the steak or not. I'd be really messed up if they called the police on me. I could get in a little bit of trouble for having a fire, but I guess we'll just cross that bridge when we come to it. Hopefully they'll mind their own business. They might have thought I was a transient too. It looks and smells really good. Alright, just did an off-camera steak check. Well, I flipped it off camera, but she's starting to tighten up real nice. I think it's about medium rare, which is a place I don't mind it being at all. So I did add more fuel both on and off camera, And what I've got here is I've got a pre-buttered, this is one of those French rolls, unsalted butter with some garlic powder shaked on there. I'm just going to set this right on top, toast the bun up, flip it over, and then, just warm up the other side while the steak rests. And just, slice it thin, put it on the bun, and then eat. It smells really good. I'm a little worried of those two people who saw me, but I'm really hoping they just mind their own business. But we'll see. Sun's starting to come out. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. I think she is done. Feels nice and tight. There might be a little too much flame for the bun. I mean, the steak's gonna have to sit and rest anyway, but it might be okay if I really watch it. Or I'll give it 5 minutes and let the steak. No, actually the flames just died, so let's go ahead and get the bun toasting. Well, flames came back. Let's go ahead and just take a shot. I'll just really keep an eye on it. So the flames kind of kicked back up again, but then I had the idea, I was like, well, why not use the windscreen to my advantage, and I'll just prop it up higher so it's not under direct flame. And I can just keep checking it. Oh, it's toasting up nice. Look at that. Oh, man. It's like a $3.99 steak, so $4. The bun I already had, it was like $2 for a pack of 6, which I made French dips the other day, so I had one left over. I forgot my horseradish though, because I'm a dope. Love horseradish on meat. Warm up the top. Oh, look at that. Not too overcooked. Man, the windscreen is big, but another application for the excellent windscreen, which I'm really liking. Really good. Steak's starting to rest. Oh yeah, it will be eating soon. Man, it smells good. Get this steak. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, that pan's hot. Get that steak out. I'll lose any of this. Buns toasted up nicely. I'm going to pull out the little plastic that holds the bacon together. Okay. And I didn't bring a paper towel because I'm a dope. Didn't bring a bandana either. Alright. Oh man, look at that. And it looks awesome. Bun sliding. Just do that. Keep that bacon on there. Oh. Could you hear that crunch? I mean, look at that, dude. I'm really looking forward to this. Alrighty. There we go. Oh my God. Man, I'll tell you what. That was excellent. It was still excellent. With the bacon, the tenderloin. I just used some sticks and a cast iron skillet I found for free. Found it in the fire pit. A little pizza pan I got at the restaurant supply store. It was $2.93, by the way. Cheap. This worked out really well. Again, cheap. The windscreen, $30, but it really worked well. I didn't have any wind issues or anything. It worked well. The stove, I think on Amazon it was $23.99. So yeah. You have to break the bank, come out here and make this. $3.99 for the steak. Yeah. Good to the last drop. Alright. Let's see if the stove is cool enough to pack out of here. I'm feeling some heat. Coals may be a little too hot. But yeah, I still see some red down there. No problem. Get these off. I know just what to do with these coals. Scatter the wood. Little piece of trash I'll pack out. I'd say that was pretty well leave no trace. I mean, an expert's going to know that someone was here, but I think your random hiker is probably going to have no clue. So everything's been rained on. I'll pat it down a little bit. Sweet. Can't even tell it was here. Okay, it hasn't been that long since I dismantled this. It's already cool to the touch. The question is, did it get warped in the fire? coming apart just fine. There you go. And you know what? I'm going to do a quick assembly, and you know you guys have seen it, because if it's been warped at all, it won't go back together again. So I know a lot of you have seen this before, and you're like, do it again. But I'm checking for warpage. So it doesn't seem to be warped at all. It's going back together. You know, lining up these little holes here is, and in the front. There we go. There you go. I've had fire in here and there's no warpage. So, you know, proof's in the video. I mean, it's a little difficult getting the front on because in the two pans, because I got the ash pan underneath and the grated slot here. I mean, lining those up can be a little bit of a chore, but it didn't take that long to get together. You know, plus I've been practicing, so. I'd say the proofs was in the video. I don't know. You can actually see there's like a little bend in that. So maybe the bottom pan bent a little bit. But you know what I'll do? I'll make sure the curve up is on the top next time, and maybe it'll bend back down. Still a little bit of bending, but it still went back together again, so I'm not even going to sweat that. We'll see how she does over time. But I like it. I like it a lot. And back in its case. All right. Boom! Pretty successful, leave no trace fire as I almost fall over here at the park. A little touch and go with the starting and lighting it, but hey, you know, I got it going, so I just used what I had on me. As always, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, whatever, just put them in the description, put them in the comments, and I will, of course, respond. And I'm going to head home and get to editing. So, catch you in the next one.